You gotta figure it out. There's a little step there. You gotta figure it out. No nose diving. Look at that. Look at, babe.
Yep.
Look at.
Yep. How smart was
Good job, Lennon. Grandma has been nervous about that step. What about you, Dylan? What about you?
Come on, Dylan.
Grandma's been worried about that step.
Come on, buddy. Come on.
Figure it out.
No. I
No.
don't want to go down there yet. Maybe.
Grandpa, do you want to get that from him?
I don't want to gnarl on that.
No. Oh, like Grandpa, I can't reach that.
Not for a while.
Look at.
Not for a while.
Look at.
Uh-huh. Not for a bit.
Well, figure it out. It's too hard. Grandma needs eyes in the back of her head. You went, come on. Well, that's the wrong direction. Come this way. Look it. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Look who snuck in. Oh, Lordy. Hi, great grandma.
I know.